Guys, the kids' cheering sound effects are destroying our town like the fake Mandy and her friends.
Let me see. I'm going to destroy like a toy. Ha ha ha. Oh my god, how do you know? The kids' cheering sound effects is destroying our city. I cannot believe the kids' cheering sound effects and his friends are destroying our city.
I hate the kids' cheering sound effects have became popular since 1999.
Oh my god, does my show with release in 1999.
I think kids' cheering sound effects going to play the KCSFX we might be cooked.
I hope they got removed and never came back forever.
I have to agree with Dexter. The kids' cheering sound effects should be removed soon.
Pandy, Dexter, Courage, Combo, Panda, Bubble, DD, Mandy, Billy, Baby, John, Shin Chan, Zane, and me going to save the world.
We might be stuck with the kids' cheering sound effects forever.
It's okay. The kids' cheering sound effects is going to be banned from all countries. We're going to be very safe.
We are prepared now. Let's go.
Ha ha ha.
Stop right here. This is us. Are you going to start the verses today?
Hardly even worth my time. Look at where gluttony gets you.
Take it down! Take it back! Apologize! No one does that to my friend!
No, I'm going to bring a strong medication to be stronger.